So, after you have your appointment set up, your invoicing, if you decided that you would like to go ahead and have an online store for your products to live or your services, then you can do that right from your Square dashboard. So, we'll click online store and it will open up a new menu. You will start with asking, they will ask us some question. And if you plan on shipping items, you will just go ahead and toggle this. If you are looking to allow in-store pickup, you will click this. If you need both, you can turn them both on. If not, you can go ahead and click skip this. It'll ask you what kind of store you want. A single ordering page, which is very quickly. And if it's just something that you need right away, you're not looking to build out an entire website, just somewhere for your customers to be able to get your products or book your services, then a single ordering page is suffice for that. And if you are looking for a multi-page site, then you will go ahead and do that. So for most of the stores for this course, you're looking to get started right away. So we're going to do a single ordering page and we're going to click next. After that, you'll go ahead and build out your store. So it's going to go through the process of getting this together for you. So now you will be able to see the Weebly portion of the e-commerce, so you don't have to go and set up another account. It is all connected with your Square shop. You see that it has accepted my identity, so I'm able to go ahead and do payments through Square. And from there, you can have a blank, you have pretty much a area to be able to go through and see an overview. So this is your dashboard. You'll see your sales, your page views, your unique visits. Because this is our first time getting started, you'll see a couple of setup guides that kind of guide you through how to get started with your site. You can add your tax rates, you can add shipping rates, and your custom domain. There's a list of recommendations based on where you are in your store. So here, increasing traffic would be to build a pop-up to grow sales, improve your site, and then you see all of them. And as your store starts to go, those recommendations get more centered around your need. It's not on just setting up. So this will look different once you get to a point of moving forward with taking sales and taking purchases for your items and booking appointments. So here we're going to go up and we're going to click Manage Store. From here, you'll see our listings. Our menu is just about the same for Square. There's an item library, and if you have those things already on your your Square site, it will automatically be imported. So you don't have to worry about going through and re-inputting all of those items back into Weebly. It will automatically be moved over along with your categories and your gift cards. So a lot of the work will already be done for you, and the goal is to get started working as soon as possible, get started selling as soon as possible. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. We see we can design our website. We can add an item to sell, select a domain, set up our shipping rates, where if we don't have shipping rates, we don't have to worry about that. collecting taxes on sales, and to publish your actual website. Now, when you go in to actually edit your website and building it out for what you need it to be, you will see you have almost a guided walkthrough. So here on the left side, we see some of the features we're looking to add, and on the right side, we see a mock-up of a website. So we're not going to sell items to ship or sell items for pickup. We definitely want to collect email addresses. We want to show our Instagram feed, like to include a contact form. If you have a business location, then you can go ahead and click this and it will pull up a menu with the hours here. For this particular store, we don't need that. We definitely want to display testimonials if we are a service-based business or even product-based, to show that you are building the trust with your customers by showing what previous customers have said about your products. And then if we want to highlight a favorite item, we have that here. So after you selected the features that you want, go ahead and click next. And then they want you to upload your logo. If you don't have a logo and you just want it to be your business name, then you could click skip this step. And from there, they'll ask you about your style. Do you want it classic, elegant, strong, vintage, modern, and a color that is a highlight? So let's see where this color shows up in our buttons more than anything for our store. So after you're happy with your style, you uploaded your logo or you're keeping your business name, then you'll just click finish. This will go through, and if you want to do a custom domain, you can search for it here. You will need to be on a paid plan in order to have a custom domain. If you own a domain, you'll still need to upgrade to a paid plan to connect or transfer it to this website. And then you can use a Square domain. So we will use a Square subdomain just for this purpose. We'll click use, and it says you've connected your domain, publish your site to see your changes. So now we have a clear view of our website. Up here you see build your brand with a custom domain. That's that paid upgrade that they were talking about during the domain section. You have a bit of a guided tutorial here where all of your pages are listed here. Next, you can add pages by separating them from standard category item pages. You can update your colors, fonts, and styles below. And finally, page sections. So these are all the sections that we added previously. And moving forward, if you wanted to add something else, you can go ahead and just select from this side. So we have some that have selling, we have general, media, and communicate. So we can embed videos, photo galleries, showcase of some sort. It could be photos, it could be testimonials. We have our mission, our founder, our story, Instagram feed, featured menu items, membership, featured events, donations, and featured items. So that is very easy to go ahead and edit. And with each section on this side, you'll see that you are able to update it. When you have a free site from Square, you can't remove the footer branding without any upgrade, but you can put it as white or black, which is a small feat for a free website, because most platforms, if you are having a free website, they're going to have some type of branding on there. And with this branding, you can also add your affiliate link in so that you can gain your free processing. So it doesn't have to be necessarily a negative when it comes to that. Each portion of this footer is editable. Everything on this side, you can see just by highlighting a certain point, it will bring up the different edits that can happen here. You could change out your layout for your menu, your logo. You can have logo type, text, or image. So if you have a image coming in from a graphic designer, or you create a logo in Canva, you can add it here and it will update across the board. So there's a quick, very, very quick overview on how to build out, how to use the online store function of Square. So from here, we can exit out of the editor and we'll be brought to the website overview menu, where we can edit our website or publish. We have our general settings with our site address. Site title can be changed here. Your favicon, password protection, site language. If you would like to unpublish your website, you can do that here, or restore it to default. That is all found under your general settings. For the SEO in social media, you have a SEO preview here that shows how it will look when somebody Googles your website name, or even for your website. You can see if it is visible to search engines or if it's hidden. And then you have a social media view for when you share your link, what it will look like for Facebook and Twitter. With your website, you also have integrations that you can put in. Google Analytics for tracking the traffic to your store. Google verification if you are looking to use the Search Console to help build out your SEO strategy. We have Pinterest verification, Facebook Pixel, and Bing verification. If you needed to add a header code, then this is where you will add it. And you can do it in the head of the code for like your chat box, or verifications for domains in that aspect, that can all go there. If you have a form on your website, all of your entries will also be stored here. And then you have a social tab where you have shopping on Instagram, Facebook shop, and Messenger. So all of those you can add directly to your store from here. Last but not least, we have the pop-up. You can do a couple of different pop-ups for your website. You can collect emails for your mailing list, offer a coupon, make an announcement, or verify age. With each pop-up that you create, they show up down here to let you know the status of the pop-up, how many conversions it has, and its conversion rate. So when you are ready to go to market your store, there is a marketing tab in the online store also. and you'll have a free trial. You can upgrade later. They have a couple of steps for you to take. Then there's new email templates, there's pop-ups to add, and videos for help with training. All of this can be ran right from this dashboard. So your emails are here. Any automated emails are here.